Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create a template in Notion. So let's get started. So here we are in Notion right here, and we have this page right here. So let's say that you want to turn this into a template. Now let's say you are done with this, perhaps you want to sell it, advertise it, or maybe give it away for free. Then what you can do is you can click on the share button right here, and then from here you can click on publish, and this way it would be published on the web. Click on publish right here, and then you would have these options. So you would have the allow duplicate as a template. So this is your key feature right here. Remember to turn this on if you want others to be able to duplicate your template right here and put it into their own workspaces. So as you can see, it's currently now live on web, and you have these options. So you have your link right here, your link expiration, but this would need a plus right here on Notion, and then you would also have the allow editing, commenting, and search engine indexing. Personally, I go turn this on because this would allow your public page to appear on search engines such as Google, especially if you're selling this or maybe advertising it. Then this is a good one right here. But for these two, you usually don't turn this on. So now once you're done with this one, then you can click now on visit site, and then from here your customers or maybe your audience would be able to duplicate this template that you have made by clicking on the duplicate button at the top right of your screen. Click on that, and from here they would be able to choose under workspaces. So in my case, I'll just go for the first one, and then from here, as you can see, it's now duplicating into my own workspace. So now all I have to do is wait, and then voila, it is now right here. So that is basically how you create a template in Notion.